Today we're in Reading. We've come to this beautiful new build garage in a lovely little village here outside Reading. We've got the two different areas to do today. So we've got a ground floor and we've got a top floor. We've got a staircase in the middle, so a couple of tricky cuts. But yeah, we'll take you straight through the process. Right, so I've got the good job doing the upstairs. So what we're going to do is the first and the most important thing is we're going to line our ramps up so there's no trip hazards on this staircase. Giving it a quick mop over with our light grey raised disc that we've used in here. Absolutely love this. The raised disc is definitely one of my favourite tiles. Right, so that's the upstairs done. So now let's get on with this downstairs. Right, so that's all the downstairs done. All the shelving and the fridges are back in the garage and the floor is all completely laid, just ready for a nice little mop.